does that mean? Are you lying about something? Okay. So, why did you lie after I gave you multiple?
It's just stressful.
I gave you an option. Put your headline back.
You lied about your name?
And date of birth.
Not my name though.
Doesn't matter. You make me do extra work.
I can have my phone.
How old are you?
19.
Okay.
Babe, you're not-
I literally said to you, oh, she's going to jail. She's getting criminally charged. What did I say? What did I say? I said, are you the first person under 21 to drink alcohol? I think I've been nothing but fair, and I gave multiple opportunities. Okay?
I understand.
I literally asked you 3 times, are you over 21? Are you over 21? Every time, yes, yes, yes. What's your name and date of birth? You gave me the same name and date of birth twice. Okay? I literally gave you every opportunity to be honest with me, and you continue to lie. So now you're getting charged with a crime.
I've never been in a situation.
Okay, so you've never been in a situation. The answer is not to lie to the police. After I literally said to you, if you be honest with me, nothing bad is going to happen. Did I not say that? Did I say you're not the first person under 21 to drink alcohol? Did I not say that also?
You did.
Okay.
I understand.
547.
547.
Then I have a female 1015.
1015 and 1522.
This isn't what I do. That's the thing. I just don't do this ever.
We're turning simple civil stuff into criminal.
I know.
That's criminal now.
I know, and I'm.
Okay, she provided a fake date of birth to me twice. We're done. I've given every opportunity to come honest and everything.
Literally.
What's your real birthday?
2004.
Okay. It would have been a lot
It's
easier.
11/29, 2004.
Okay.
You're good.
I don't do this though. That's why it's so frustrating.
I don't do this either. You think I
Just gotta be honest. Honesty.
I'm sorry.
Babe, it's gotta be in my bag.
Please and thank you. I got bit once. I want to get bit again. Okay.
I think I've been nothing but fair and giving you
I agree.
multiple opportunities to be honest.
I agree.
I can't help what you do after that.
I agree.
You got bits?
Can this have to stay on?
Yeah, you're under arrest.
That's disgusting. No.
I'm gonna get bit an elbow.
I don't know about that.
If you have anything here, I don't want to send you to jail in a bikini. So, Connor, let's go.
I think it has a
This is your stuff? This is criminal I literally said what was going to happen. If you give me a fake information, that'd be providing false information to law enforcement.
You get your mother. If you hold down the screen, you get to see my other ones. I think it's great.
Is this her stuff? Listen,
Sir, I'm
5 seconds.
I'm trying, sir. I really am.
We'll put that on. When we get out of it, let's get out of the limelight. We're in the midst of everything. Is that your bag?
What else do you have?
Is that all
I
your
just don't know if
stuff?
all my stuff's in it.
Okay. What are you looking for? A phone?
I think it's just my phone. I don't know where I put it. It's just scary.
The mother took the firearm from the passenger. He's going to be 26-year-old.
A little bit, bro. I'm telling you, you're gonna. Is this yours right here?
You're going to win. It's bad. I don't like getting
We'll do you first.
I hate getting the ocean. He's I'm about to call it a little fish. He's getting in the ocean, they're trapped in the urine.
Is that true?
Get a mugshot.
It's like right there.
It ain't good, but
Yeah, that'd be great.
it's better than getting a criminal record and not getting a mugshot.
547 CD.
Only I was like flexible to like do that.
I know you're busy with that D3 call, but alright, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take your handcuffs off. I doubt you're gonna do anything stupid, right? You're gonna put this on so we can speed up this process.
Can I put on the
You can
dress
put on
thing?
whichever one you want.
Because it has shorts, so it's just easier.
I'm taking your handcuffs off completely.
Okay.
So I gotta go back on after, but
Okay.
I doubt you're gonna do something stupid to make this situation way worse than it needs to be,
Definitely
right?
not.
Okay. I don't.
Oh.
So good.
547, do you have traffic
I think I
on
might
that?
stand up on my piece my pants.
Awful.
Just trying to advise PT that we're in the Hilton parking lot. They just seem to keep lapping the traffic circle.
Okay. We spoke to them on the phone and told them exactly where to go and what you told us, so I'm not certain what their issue is.
Copy, and there's no way to put myself in contact with one of them.
Okay.
I just gotta put these back on. I'm not gonna put them tight, so. Do not slip them or do anything.
No, that's fine.
Again, we don't want to make this worse than
No, I understand.
Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't want them to tighten.
I didn't get through it. I was fine.
Alright.
That good?
Yep. I think we should just drive to them. Because this is ridiculous.
That way or this way?
No, you go that way.
It's worse since you're documented as an official buyer now.
It goes right there.
Okay.
Down this way. Separate your feet.
Right here?
There we go. Walk the cuff in the front. Come to the more comfortable. Is there any chance you're pregnant?
No.
Okay.
Did they change that to a suspicious event?
They did. They took care of it, I guess. So he wasn't waving it. He was just in his possession. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Your arm a little bit.
I'm separated.
You said
You're not going anywhere near
You're with him.
You're not going anywhere near it.
Sorry.
Might even get a show when they get to jail because they might
I don't want to know if I want that.
and they're gonna rip him probably out of there. So no worry.
You have any people anywhere. Careful when you head over there, okay? You can sit over here or yeah, sit over there.
Okay, this is your stuff.